Hey Jake, tell me what our part number is. It looks kind of long if you look at it.
It's a little lengthy. Yeah, so for people that are looking on our website, the breakdown of our part numbers is actually a lot simpler than it appears. So let's take a TS F17 180F 140G, which you can see here on the screen. That is a 140 gallon per hour fuel system for a 2011 through 2016 Ford 6.7 Power Stroke.
Okay.
Let's break down that number. Right up front, TS, Titanium Signature Series. That's what it stands for. That is the series of fuel system that belongs to.
Okay.
That F17, that indicates Ford, AKA 6.7 Power Stroke. So we know the application. Then we move on to 180F. That is free flow. That's a test bench number.
A lot of our competitions use that free flow number to show a big number.
Which is why we included, hey, if you want to know on a test bench, that's what this system will do.
At free flow.
At free flow, 180 gallons an hour. Then the important part, we get to that 140G. That's 140 gallons per hour at the application pressure on diesel fuel. That is a real world, as you're driving number. So as you have that system on your Ford, driving down the road, that is producing 140 gallons per hour. And that is how our part numbers work.
I'm gonna throw you a curveball.
Bring it.
What about the ND at the beginning?
That's a new one. That's a great question. So we know that the #1 accessory to a fast fuel system is what you're holding right there. That is our SK5501 fuel sump kit. We know a lot of our customers love them. So we said, hey, you know what? We can save you some time, save you some money, put it all in one box. So those ND kits, that is a no drop kit designed specifically to keep you from having to drop your tank to install one of these.
Excellent. Go to fastride.com for more information.